Yung dalawang VIP ba? VIP na pagsalo ng fireworks pala, pagsalo ng fireworks. Kahit naka-PL ka, nakasalo ka pa rin ng fireworks, no, di ba? Sekreto ng mga VIP.
Before it's too late, I take a step away. I knew one word would make me go rushing back to you. So I just shut my eyes, forget that you were mine. How do you go from making one your home and then just letting it all go? Let me take it in before it sinks in. Thank you po sa mga VIP. Good evening po. All of the secret fears inside, I know that there is a inside.